Hello and welcome. Are you a fan of all things cute? Do you love creating adorable kawaii-style coloring pages? Today, I'm sharing the 20 best prompts to help you generate the cutest kawaii coloring pages using Ideogram AI. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an AI design hack. If you haven't heard of it yet, Ideogram AI is a powerful free AI tool that transforms your ideas into stunning visuals within seconds. Whether you need captivating designs, realistic images, or innovative logos and posters, Ideogram makes it effortless. Prompt number 1. A kawaii coloring page featuring a baby dolphin wearing a space helmet, swimming through a cosmic sea with floating stars and planets around it. A tiny shooting star winks in the background. The image has bold and easy-to-follow lines. Don't forget to try this prompt with Ideogram. I'm sure you'll love it. I've dropped a free download link for all the prompts down in the video description. Prompt number 2. A kawaii coloring page featuring a cute cupcake with frosting and sprinkles. The cupcake has a smiling face with rosy cheeks. There are tiny stars and hearts around it. The background is white. The image has bold and easy-to-follow lines. Prompt number 3. A kawaii coloring page featuring a tiny goldfish with big eyes and a happy expression. The fish has little bubbles floating around it. There are also tiny hearts near the fish. The background is white. The image has bold and easy-to-follow lines. Prompt number 4. A kawaii coloring page featuring a smiling pineapple with sunglasses. The pineapple has a cute little face and tiny hearts around it. The background is white. The image has bold and easy-to-follow lines. Prompt number 5. A kawaii coloring page featuring a little bunny with floppy ears and a big smile. The bunny is holding a carrot. There are also tiny flowers and butterflies around it. The background is white. The image has bold and easy-to-follow lines. Prompt number 6. A kawaii coloring page featuring an ice cream cone with 3 scoops, each with a happy face. The cone has a waffle pattern, and there are tiny hearts and sparkles around it. The background is white. The image has bold and easy-to-follow lines. Prompt number 7. A kawaii coloring page featuring a fluffy cloud with a big, cheerful smile. The cloud has tiny raindrops shaped like hearts falling from it. There are also small stars surrounding the cloud. The background is white. The image has bold and easy-to-follow lines. Prompt number 8. A kawaii coloring page featuring a round donut with sprinkles and a cute smiling face. The donut has a bite taken out of it. There are tiny sparkles floating around. The background is white. The image has bold and easy-to-follow lines. Prompt number 9. A kawaii coloring page featuring a lucky cat, Maneki Neko, waving its paw. The cat has a bell on its collar and is sitting next to a small coin. There are tiny stars and lucky symbols around it. The background is white. The image has bold and easy-to-follow lines. Prompt number 10. A kawaii coloring page featuring a chubby strawberry with big, sparkling eyes. The strawberry has tiny seeds and a leafy top. There are small hearts and sparkles floating around it. The background is white. The image has bold and easy-to-follow lines. Prompt number 11. A kawaii coloring page featuring a boba tea with a happy face, a big straw, and tiny pearls inside. Some pearls have little faces making different expressions. The background is white. The image has bold and easy-to-follow lines. Prompt number 12. A kawaii coloring page featuring a round chocolate chip cookie with a cute, surprised expression. The cookie has small chunks missing and tiny cookie crumbs are floating nearby. The background is white. The image has bold and easy-to-follow lines. Prompt number 13. A kawaii coloring page featuring a happy star with a cheerful face and tiny sparkles around it. The star has a winking eye and small shooting stars floating beside it. The background is white. The image has bold and easy-to-follow lines. Prompt number 14. A kawaii coloring page featuring a smiling sun with round cheeks and rays that look like soft, wavy lines. The sun is surrounded by small clouds and tiny hearts. The background is white. The image has bold and easy to follow lines. Prompt number 15. A kawaii coloring page featuring a mushroom with a spotted cap and a happy face. The mushroom has tiny sparkles and flowers growing around it. The background is white. The image has bold and easy to follow lines. Prompt number 16. A kawaii coloring page featuring a floating dumpling with tiny wings. The dumpling has a happy blushing face and is surrounded by small sparkles and steam puffs. The background is white. The image has bold and easy to follow lines. Prompt number 17. A kawaii coloring page featuring a fluffy cotton candy with a cute smiling face. The cotton candy has a tiny wand sprinkling magical dust shaped like hearts and stars. The background is white. The image has bold and easy to follow lines. Prompt number 18. A kawaii coloring page featuring an animated pencil with a cheerful face and tiny arms. The pencil is drawing a little heart and there are doodles of stars and swirls around it. The background is white. The image has bold and easy to follow lines. Prompt number 19. A kawaii coloring page featuring a smiling macaron wearing a tiny astronaut helmet. The macaron is floating in space with tiny planets and sparkles around it. The background is white. The image has bold and easy to follow lines. Prompt number 20. A kawaii coloring page featuring a traditional paper lantern with a cute talking expression. The lantern has tiny dangling tassels and is surrounded by floating fireflies. The background is white. The image has bold and easy to follow lines. And there you have it, 20 of the best prompts to create the most adorable kawaii coloring pages ever. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. You can download all 20 prompts for free in the description. And if you want more prompts, tips, and AI-generated inspiration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Happy creating and stay kawaii!